Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nuruah and I am from 5 PBI A2 English Education in University Jepara. Okay, and here I will to explain about my lesson plan and the learning materials about animals in 1 grade level of elementary school. Okay, in here, in the learning process, I will use the audio-lingual method to improve speaking and listening skill. Okay, the teaching media, I will use whiteboard and marker, modules, books, video in YouTube, animals picture, LCD and projector. Okay, in the learning process, I divided into 3, and the first preliminary activities, and the next core activities, and the last closing activities. Okay, in the preliminary activities, the teacher creates and invites students to pray together, and the next the teacher checks the student attendance. And the next, the teacher prepares the student psychological and physical condition to be ready for learning by asking how they are and giving time for a student to prepare everything needed. And last, the teacher tries to link the material with the student experience regarding the material about animals. And the next, core activities. In the core activities, the first, the teacher saw a video about animal from YouTube. And the next, students are asked to follow the pronunciation of the word or sentence in the video about animals. And the next, the teacher delivers material about animals by showing a picture. And the next, the teacher invites students to sing together about the names of animals with the correct pronunciation. And the next, the teacher randomly appoints students to come to the in front of the class and asks the student to imitate what the teacher says. And the last, the teacher gives an example sentence, then the student mimic the blank parts of the sentence. For example, the teacher says it is butterfly, and the next, the teacher says it is blah blah blah, and the student repeat it is butterfly. And closing activities. In the closing activities, the first, the teacher give conclusion about animals, and the next, the teacher conducts reflection activities to measure the achievement of the learning process and in use as an evaluation material. And the next, the teacher invites the student to sing again and mention the names of animal in English. And the next, the teacher give assessment to student. And the last, the teacher ends the learning activity by giving a message of and motivation for the spirit of learning, and ends with a prayer.